Representative Benny Abante says Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong must apologize. Pero under what law? Wala namang batas that compels a public official to say sorry just because Congress feels offended. The Civil Code allows damages only kapag may proven defamation. And jurisprudence is clear. Public officials are subject to scrutiny. Hindi sila above criticism. Magalong has already laid his allegations. Maanomalyang flood control projects, ghost works, pera ng taong bayan na nasayang. Ang burden ngayon ay nasa Kongreso. At oo, kay Abante at sa kanyang mga kasamahan to disprove him with facts, not with padrama indignation. To demand an apology without proof is nothing but arrogance dressed as honor. Congress is not vindicated by hurt pride. Vindication comes from evidence. Kung mali si Magalong, then prove it. Pero kung tama siya, then the apology must not come from him. Dapat manggaling sa mga pumalpak sa taong bayan. Another day, another Regal POV.